Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes with another conjugation or conjugaison au présent pour le verbe français, the French verb. How do we conjugate? Know the word and then what's the meaning and how to conjugate and how to use it in a sentence. So, kompleto siya, na? Si komple, ha? Okay, so this verb is very easy. The verb appeler. Appeler means to call or contact someone. Okay, example. Je l'appelle ce soir. I will call her tonight. This verb is very simple, useful, and perfect for daily communication. Appeler. Are you ready to know the conjugation of the verb appeler? Okay, tara na. Let's go. Ou en français is on y va. Ganun po yun. Nice. Just the same. On y va. On y va. Let's go. Le verbe appeler. Okay? So, to means to call or to contact someone. Okay? So, when we call someone or to call or contact someone, we use a telephone. Téléphone, non, téléphone en français, téléphone in English. Okay, téléphone in French, téléphone en français, téléphone in English. Okay, so, nabubulong na ako, Okay, so, we will conjugate our verb appeler au présent. Okay, how do we do it? J'appelle, I call. Hindi siya pwedeng je appelle. Kasi there are two vowels. So, magagawin natin siyang j'appelle. J'appelle, hindi siya je appelle, no? J'appelle, I call. Okay? Next, tu appelles. You call. Okay? Tu appelles. You call. Next, il appelle. He calls. Okay, he calls. Okay. Next, on appelle. We call. And then, nous appelons. Idudugtong po yung S sa A at magiging pong Z yun. Z siya magiging nous appelons. Okay, we call. Okay, next, na magiging vous appelez. Okay, vous appelez is you call. But yung S, we will make it as Z. Pag pinopronounce na po siya, no? It is an S, but we pronounce it as Z. Vous appelez. Okay? And then, ils appellent, they call, and elles appellent, ONT, they call. Okay? So, I will repeat. J'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, elle appelle, on appelle. And then, nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent, ONT, elles appellent, ONT. Don't forget po yung ONT, it's like à la fin, okay? Hindi siya sapelont, no? Hindi siya sampelot, okay? Sapelont, hindi siya sapelont, okay? So, exemple, je l'appelle ce soir pour discuter de notre projet. Je l'appelle ce soir pour discuter de notre projet. I will call her tonight to discuss about our project. Okay? So, Ganun po yun, no? So, le verbe appeler. So, I will repeat. Répétez avec moi, s'il vous plaît. J'appelle. Tu appelles. Il appelle. Elle appelle. On appelle. Nous appelons. Vous appelez. Ils appellent. O-N-T. Elle s'appelle. O-N-T. I hope it's clear. Verb appeler is ang premier group po yan. O-R. Okay? We change it with E, O-S, E, O-N-S, U-Z, O-N-T. Get it? Merci beaucoup. And please don't forget to subscribe, to like, or comment po for more videos. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao, tout le monde.